I. Let's find the value of x in this equation. 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x equals to 20. What's the value of x? Solution. Okay, we are given 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x as 20. Now, what we are going to do here is 2 raised to the power x, which will be 2 raised to the power x brackets 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that 2 raised to the power x multiplied by 1 will still give you this. 2 raised to the power x multiplied by 1 will still give you 2 raised to the power x. So into 4 places. This will give us 20. So 2 raised to the power x bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. Okay? This will give us 20. Now, we are going to divide through by 4. Alright, so we have 2 raised to the power x bracket 4 equals 20 here. Now, divided by 4, this can go. You have 2 raised to the power x. You have 2 raised to the power x is equals to 20 divided by 4. This is 5. From here now, you have to take the log of both sides. Take the log of both sides. You have log 2 raised to the power x equals log 5. Good. But log m raised to the power n is same as n log m. If we apply it here, we have x log 2 is equals to log 5. Good. Now, we have here log 2 equals to log 5. Now, divide through by log 2. Divide through by log 2 to find x. X log 2 equals log 5, then divided by log 2, divided by log 2. Good. So this log 2 can cancel. You have x equals log 5 over log 2. From change of base, you have log m over log n equals log m base n. If we apply it here, we have 5 base 2. So x is equals to log 5 base 2. So this is the value of x. So this is the value of x. Now let's try and check. We are given 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x as what? 20. But x equals log 5 base 2. So substituting, I will have 2 raised to the power log 5 base 2 plus 2 raised to the power log 5 base 2 plus 2 raised to the power log 5 base 2 plus 2 raised to the power log 5 base 2. Will it give us 20? Then recall that if you have y raised to the power log m base y, since they have the same y as base, it will give you m. So that means if we apply 2 log 5 base 2, since they have base 2, we are going to have 5, 5, 5, 5. So over here we now have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, because from here now this means 2 log 5 base 2, since they have the same base, will give us 5. So this 5 now is what I'm picking from each of these sum. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, is it equal to 20? Yes. Therefore 20 is equals to 20, and this is our right hand side, while this is our left hand side. This is correct. Hence the value of x is equals to log 5 base 2. Alright, thank you. A quick recap. See what I have done. I factor that 2 here and sum 1, 1, 1, which is 4. Divide through by this 4, and then you have 2 raised to power x as 5. Then take the logarithm of both sides, okay, and apply this rule. If you have x log 2 equals log 5. Here now, you will divide through by log 2 in order to find x. So that is what I have done here. When you do it, you find x as log 5 divided by log 2. But here now, let's, from change of base, find the value of x to be log 5 base 2. If you then check, you observe that the value of x is equals to log 5 base 2 when you apply what we call the inverse property of logarithm. Alright, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Go through my other Olympiad math class. This one you have 3 raised to power t multiplied by 3 raised to power t divided by 4 equals to 9. We were required to find t. So you can see what I have done. I have already uploaded it. So go through my playlist and you will see how I solved this. I still have other interesting lessons. Okay, still have other interesting lessons. So explore my playlist for more in-depth lessons, both in calculus, logarithm indices, and circuit analysis like Thevenin's theorem. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.